Hi everyone, I'm Sushmita, Lead Solution Engineering at Thrive Sparrow. I work closely with organizations to design employee feedback programs for them. Today, I'm going to walk you through how AI is being incorporated into Thrive Sparrow to help HR leaders and managers move from just collecting feedback to making it meaningful. The reason this topic is very important is because organizations already have multiple employee touchpoints like engagement surveys, pulse surveys, onboarding and exit surveys, performance reviews. But the real gap is what happens after it. HR teams and managers are often stretched thin and manually are analyzing feedbacks. Identifying patterns in such times is very time consuming. In today's fast paced environment, employees expect quicker responses and more personalized experiences. And that's where AI comes in, not to replace decision making, but to simplify it. And that's exactly what we will be exploring today. But before that, let's have a quick poll to understand how you currently see teams handle employee feedback and results. Do you see them handling this manually, then sharing a report with their management, or are you still figuring this out? I can see a lot of you are telling we're still figuring this out. All right. A few of you are also manually analyzing the data and sharing the report. All right. So I think almost 50%, 75% of you have told that there's no tool in place and you're analyzing data manually, right? So this is exactly why we are here, right? Uh, Whichever option you've picked, you're in good company because this is something nobody has fully cracked yet. All right. So meet Ria. She's a HR manager with 7 years of experience. She genuinely cares about her team and she's very invested in her job, right? She just ran an engagement survey, 87% response rate, and she's over the moon. She sends a thank you email to all of her employees and the whole company, and she gets herself a nice coffee, right? But then 2 weeks pass by, the data is still in a spreadsheet. Managers also get a PDF of the report. Most of them opened it, scrolled through it, but went back to their day like it's nothing. 6 weeks later, one of the best engineers on the team puts in his notice, and Ria had no idea, neither did the manager. And here's the thing I always want people to sit with when I tell the story. Ria didn't do anything wrong. She ran the surveys, she got the data, she shared the results as well. She did her job. But the system has failed her because the system was never actually built to go from data to action. And it happens the same way every time, right? Survey goes out, scores come back. Everyone sees great engagement score this quarter. The dashboard looks nice. Nobody opens it after 1 week. So managers or HR are getting a long report. They look through the data. They are not data analysts, right? They've got 10 other things on their plate, so they don't have time to read through it. And someone in that team, someone has quietly started checking out. And by the time anyone notices it, they're already gone. So it's not a RIA problem, it's a system problem, and that's exactly what we are here to talk about. So here's a stat that I think captures this really well. Perceptics 2025 research found that 65% of employees don't believe their feedback leads to something meaningful or a change in the organization. And I don't think that's because organizations don't care. I think it's because the gap between collecting data and actually doing something visible with it is just too wide. People stop believing that surveys matter because they never see what happened next. So that's the shift I want to show you today. Right now, like most teams are collecting data with no action planning. Managers are overwhelmed with reports that they don't have time to decode. So disengagement shows up way too late when someone is already half out the door. On the other hand, with Thrive Sparrow, that same feedback surfaces as something clear and useful. Managers don't just get a report, they get a direction. So at risk employees get flagged early enough that you can actually do something. And HR team can go to leadership and say, here's what we found, and here's what we did about it. Same people, same survey, the only thing that's different is the system. So, to give you an overview, Thrive Sparrow is an employee success platform. We've got surveys, performance reviews, goal setting, recognition, all in one place, all connected, and AI runs across all of it. So today I'm going to show you how our AI capabilities, which is specifically Infer AI or highlights, sentiment analysis, and AI personal development plans. For each one of these, I'll walk you through what it does and straight take you to a product demo, right? And then at the end, I'll also give you a look at very interesting capabilities we are building next, which is turnover prediction, AI action plans, and a live AI chatbot. So, all right. So, maybe before that, let me show you something that ties all of this together, right? So, this is the employee journey inside Thrive Sparrow. What you're looking at is every stage from new hire engagement, check ins, recognition, employee growth, performance review, and all the way through retention and exit. And what I want you to notice is that every single stage is a data point. A new hire survey from someone's first week isn't just onboarding paperwork, it's the AI's first read on that person. Every check in after that adds the picture at the whole. So, recognition patterns, goal progress, performance conversation, it's all building over time. So, here's what why that matters, right? You can't predict someone's engagement at month 12 if you don't have anything from month 1. So when a retention signal shows up, the platform isn't reacting to one data point, it's drawing on months of context. That's completely different level of insight than what most tools can give you. Okay, so let me take you into the features right now and quickly show you a glimpse of what they look like live in the platform. All right. So let's consider the first touch point that any employee goes through. So let's say Ria is running an onboarding survey for all of the new joinees. She's gotten her feedbacks, and the data automatically shows you what you need to do. So this is survey I highlights or Infor AI, which automatically allows her to pull in data from all of the feedbacks that she's received and tells her, okay, these are your areas of improvement. For example, people have mentioned they have no tool accesses, they would need something better as resource to perform in their departments, and it automatically gets flagged along with action items that Ria can actually give out to the managers so they can resolve this, right? And within just the click, she's able to add in these action plans, assign it to the managers, and make sure it is followed through and completed within a due date. Now she has concrete data that she can show to her management as an action plan done. Now, similarly, let's say over the period of time, everyone gets busy with their work, and towards the 6th or 8th month, Ria launches an engagement survey, and she gets feedbacks in, and she has a lot of data, or 2,000 employees data to look at and infer from, right? So that is where our text insights or sentiment analysis comes into play. So this is one specific option that you can use to go through all of those text feedbacks and verbatims, put it into a single place, and understand what are your key drivers. So basically, what this allows you to do is segment each of the feedbacks into specific topics, understand within that feedback how is the sentiment looking like, and if so, what is the sentiment score, and how much impact is it having in terms of your engagement. And if, let's say, work life balance is something you need to address immediately, you can also find out what are the underlying factors. What exactly are people facing? Are they being overloaded with tasks, or they're stressed about their well being? So you get to drill down into each of these parameters, understand the negative factors within each of them. All right. So let's say Ria has now collected data during onboarding, during her reviews, right? And then comes the season where she has to sit for appraisals. There are, evaluations going out that, set up, 360 assessments where she gets feedback from multiple employees and understands, okay, this is what every employee is, getting feedback like, right? But what exactly does the manager do after that? So, we've launched a poll for you here to understand how often do you think managers actually follow through the feedbacks given in 360 assessments, or do they actually do that? Right. And I think most of you have already answered that sometimes when it's easy to act on, but rarely they don't know where to start it even, right? So I think this is a problem that most of our managers face, most of our HR teams face. You do get all of the data, let's say, in 360-degree angle. Everyone gets evaluated by their peers, their managers, their reportees. They have a report in place, but they don't exactly know what to do with it. So that is where our AI based personal development plans come into place. So these reports are basically auto generated and available for managers. So, for example, let's say Christopher is being evaluated. Christopher gets evaluated by his peers, his manager, his reportees, and you get to see a competency summary saying, okay, this is how he is like at different skills. This is what the gap between his rating and others' ratings look like. But what to do about it, right? So that is exactly where our AI PDP comes into play. It allows you to automatically generate AI based development plans for each employee, specific to their job title, their department, or even, let's say, specific resources that they can access from the company and make sure they're able to achieve the goals that they need. All right. So now that we've seen how the product helps you cover all of these AI features across different touch points currently, let me also show you quickly what we are coming up with. So, as a part of our upcoming roadmap, we have three different features coming out. First one of them is turnover prediction. So this is something very interesting. The way it works is it looks at full survey journey of every employee, their onboarding survey, every engagement check-in, and exit data from people who have left. And it finds the pattern, right? Because signals come from people um, all up they don't come at once, rather they are a pattern over time. Something shifts in onboarding, something flattens in engagement 6 months later, and by the time anyone notices it, they're already gone. So turnover prediction connects these dots and it tells you this specific person, this specific department, based on their pattern, is on a path to leave. An actual prediction from the data you're already collecting. So the next one is AI action plans. And this is for those managers wondering, okay, so what am I supposed to do to ensure my reportees stay engaged and on track with their goals? AI action plan answers that question directly. It pulls in data from multiple data sources, which tells you who's being recognized, who isn't, and also tells you who is on track with their goals, who's falling behind. And from all of that, it generates a concrete team level plan. So, not just suggestions, not just a report, an actual plan with specific actions. So, it tells you schedule a conversation with this employee, recognize this team this week, revisit these goals so your employees are able to attain it with reasons behind each one of it. So, it's not just a checklist, it's something a manager actually understands and trusts. So, this is the feature that turns insights into behavior. Most managers aren't avoiding action because they don't care. They are avoiding it because they don't know where to start. So AI Action Plan does exactly that for them. And moving on to the AI friend that every manager needs, this is the AI chatbot. This one chatbot connects into your goals data, your engagement data, and your performance review data, and it lets any manager just ask a question in plain language. For example, where is my team stuck on goals this quarter? Who needs a check-in based on their last performance review? What's been flagged across the team this month? Right? And it answers all of this based on actual live data, not a canned response, a real answer from what's in the system. So they don't have to go through dashboards and navigate through it, no filters to set, no reports to pull. They can just ask AI. We have found people react to this one because it's the one thing that makes platform feel less like a tool that you log into every day and more like something that works with you. And honestly, when all of these three land into the product, this is going to become something very useful for managers that they will use every day. And before I close, I want to leave you with some numbers from Gallup that says US businesses lose $1 trillion a year to voluntary employee turnover. not to performance issues, not to restructures, to people who chose to leave. Replacing a single employee costs anywhere from half to twice their annual salary, and recruiting, onboarding, the productivity gap, the knowledge that works out with them, it all adds up very fast. And the underlying driver to all of this is all disengagement. So Gallup has been tracking this for years. Actively disengaged employees cost 34% of their annual salary every year per person. And the flip side of that is companies with highly engaged employees are 23% more profitable. Same talent pool, same market, different outcomes. This is based on entirely whether people feel like what they actually do matters. And that's the business case for getting this right. And that's what we are here to help you do. Right. So remember Ria, the same Ria, same team, same company, but now she's got Transparent. So the survey closes on Friday. By Monday, Infor AI has already told her which three areas are her strongest, which three need attention. Sentiment analysis has gone through all of the open text responses, shown her exactly how people are feeling and where. So every employee also has a personal development plan that's built on their actual competency data and not a template and not a guess. So she starts her week knowing where to focus, and her managers have a starting point, not a wall of data. And that engineer who would have left, she saw it coming. So she had a conversation, and he's still there. And that's just what happens when systems actually work. So if today clicked for you, go to thriveSparrow.com and start a free trial. No credit card needed, no long setup needed. Just connect your data and see what it surfaces. And thank you so much for being here. I really hope next time a survey closes, every HR or every manager feels a lot more like Ria on a good Monday. Also, on the screen, we have a QR code for you. We would love to hear your feedback on our webinar today. You can share this directly by scanning the QR code or from the link on the chat. So let us know what you like and how we can improve as well, and what we can plan for our webinars ahead. Thank you, everyone.